Yes, that's true. This year, you will be receiving 2 Nitro offers. The first is 3 months Nitro from YouTube Premium. But don't worry, I won't make you read this whole thing. So the first step, go to your YouTube main page, click Settings, and then click Subscription and Purchases. There you will find your free Nitro if you have YouTube Premium. You need to also be in one of these countries. Now, if you are not from one of those countries, you can go for Streamlabs Nitro, which is much more easy. They have also extended the duration to March 18th. Now to claim it, search Streamlabs Free Nitro and create an account on there. After that, you will see this interface. You can claim Nitro there. With that, you can also join my Discord server since we do occasional Nitro giveaways. We also have decors and layouts. And if you like this video, hit like and subscribe button and touch the damn grass, kids.